Welcome to. Oh, okay. Hi, it's cooking with my cooking for my daughters, and today we're going to be making fresh tomato paste to add to the fresh spaghetti sauce. So right now I'm also frying my spaghetti sauce, my hamburg meat. I'm frying the hamburg meat, and that will be the next video. This video is going to be on how to make fresh tomato paste for your spaghetti sauce. Yeah. Alright, we're back. So what you're trying to do is reduce it into a paste. So right now it's on high. We're just cooking it until most of the liquid is gone. And then we're going to use a whisk and slowly add olive oil to it. But it's got to turn into a consistency of, it has to be thick. So we're trying to make it as thick as possible here. Get rid of all the liquids. So I added salt and I added pepper. You could add basil, whatever spices you like ahead of time. I normally just do salt and pepper, olive oil. So I'll come back when it's ready to whisk. So there you have it. You get it like this. We put it in a high ledge pot. Add more olive oil. I added some already. Mix it. What you're trying to do is get it into a tomato paste consistency. You don't want to burn it, but we want to keep it off the bottom. So you want to get, you just crush it as much as you can, turn it into a paste. And you just keep adding a little bit more olive oil. It makes an amazing paste. It's fresh for all your sauces and everything you can use to get tomato paste for. It makes it better, healthy, and you know exactly what you put in it. So I added a quarter tablespoon of, or quarter teaspoon of salt and a little bit of pepper. So as you can see, it's turning into a nice, thick tomato paste. So not quite there yet. We're trying to get it a little orange. So we'll add a little more olive oil. It's getting there. It's getting nice. Almost there. So we'll turn the heat down. It's at maximum. It's been at max since the start. So we're down. Turn it down to halfway. Medium heat. We're just trying to take all the moisture out, other than the olive oil. So there'll be one more squirt of olive oil in here, and that'll be it. I'll come back when it's completely done. I just want to show you guys when it starts flipping over the edge, and like this, see? In a nice smooth consistency. It's pretty much ready. So that's what we're looking for. Tomato paste, done.